Hello guys, good evening. It's Monday night. This is my little bit brandy and Coke. And you can see me here now, no makeup at all. Just me, natural. And wait, I'm gonna change myself, my appearance, my face to another face with a simple makeup. Let's continue. Me and this one I'm gonna put here with this mirror because it's not so comfortable to do in front. If I do that like that, no, and see here, I probably better to do like this. See? Like that. You can see the difference. Then this eye is more open because of this shadow here. Okay. Yeah, I think it's much better. And I put here my eye brown as well. No, actually it's okay to do without my mirror, like that. What do you think? Much better, yeah? What do you think?
Okay, I like it.
You like me?
I like it.
I like you. And
what is the next product?
I don't know what's this product. No, this one. I've not advertised anything. I have this. Oh, it's not so easy. Oh. Wow, look at this eye. This eye is more open because of this pencil I have. Oh. See? Can you see the difference? This and that.
Yes, a bit, but it doesn't matter.
It's the backlight. Here you can see clearly. Now, look at that. Wow. You can see the difference? Yes.
I like it. It suits you.
I like it. I like me too.
It's
Look.
really important.
Here. A little bit here. Wow. No. Here as well. Look. And there. See? Wow. Oh, it's very dark. Is it dark? No. It's okay?
I like it.
I like it, I like it.
But the question is, do you like it?
Yes, I like it.
It's the most important.
And with the beauty sexy me now again, like last time. And I'm gonna put this on top that it doesn't smell like this, like that. Crazy woman. What do you think, guys? And I didn't bring mascara. I don't have mascara. Just a little bit of this. And of course, red lipstick. I'm gonna bring. Oh, let me mascara. I'll be back. And eyes, of course, you have to put mascara a little bit. Like this I have. Just a bit. Because you know, guys, I'm not going to sleep with this makeup. I just want to show what's difference. Fuck it. It's not professional, but I'm just making a video. This is simple video, make you laugh. And if I make you laugh, it means make me happy. Laugh as much as possible, please. And this is the final destination of this makeup makeup over makeup.
Final touch.
Yeah, like that. Like that. Then I look like what?
You look really good.
Like a prostitute.
That's not true.
That's a joke. Like, because guys, you see that this one is whiskey a little bit and Coca-Cola. A cheese.
So, do you like your makeup?
I don't know really.
Would you go out like this?
Yeah, one is dark and a dark discotheque.
Then you kind of like it. It means.
And shall we dance now? Or we can make discotheque here.
Well, sadly for me it's bedtime.
Oh, okay, go. Okay, guys, thank you for watching this silly video. And see you tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe and like. I love you all. Bye.